that?
What? What?
My car? Right?
Oh yeah. It's just hard to get the depth. Oh, those dogs are gonna have fun. Jared, how are those dogs gonna do it? They're like little, like a Maltese.
Aww.
It's gonna just be buried. Alright, Sam's here now.
I shouldn't jump like this because of my glasses.
Here.
Take your glasses off.
What?
Nothing.
What? You don't have snow clothes. Snow clothes. I got those
What?
What?
He's coming.
No way. Nobody can come down here. You can't get snow. Even if you could get some snow, you could probably come on. That needs to come out and do something. No?
So we got this guy over here, and then there's one dude just parked. How long has he been there, Dirk?
Since 10 to 11.
10 till 11?
It's probably 12:30 or 1 now.
Yep.
Oh, this is awesome. It's very, and now it's getting cold.
Yeah, now your clothes are going to be soaked.
I was planning on that, dude. I'll just, I mean, they're sort of dirty anyway. Except my coat.
Alright, I'm taping. Nice, sure. Alright, got Jordan here. He's gonna jump into the big pile of snow.
Like snot, man.
How you doing? I don't see it.